Welcome back. The Bain murder retrial in Christchurch has heard evidence that the accused's father may have sexually abused both his daughters.
Allegations that Laniet was abused aren't new, but it's the first time the suggestions have been made about her older sister, Arawa. Vicky Wilkinson-Baker reports.
When 5 members of the Bain family were killed, their voices were silenced. Now the defence is trying to prove both daughters were abused by Robin Bain. A witness who lived in a boarding house with Laniet Bain says she told him she was scared of her father.
She mentioned that he was touching her in ways that he shouldn't have been. She didn't come out exactly and say at the start that there was any incest or anything happening, but it was fairly easy to pick up what she was talking about. She was very fearful that the same thing may happen or was happening to Arawa.
The court was also told there was nothing unusual about David Bain's behaviour the afternoon before the murders while rehearsing for a show.
Pretty relaxed and convivial, and horsing about with the others in quite the normal manner.
A psychiatrist who assessed David Bain's mental state just weeks after the deaths says he was suffering from post-traumatic stress.
Talking about the loss of the family, talking about what he remembered on that day, and he would become distressed to the point of at times being incoherent.
He visited David over 10 years, saying his story about what happened that day never changed.
His accounts of that always remained consistent with what he had told me actually at the time of trial.
A family friend also told the court Robin Bain's depression started in the late 70s.
Margaret started talking about Robin, and she said that she feared that his depressive states were worrying her.
The night before the first trial, she says she made a statement at the Napier police station about that, but the officer put it in the rubbish bin. Vicky Wilkinson-Baker, One News.